हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। हियर आई एम एट ब्लॉसम स्कूल एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी टाइम। आई वाज शेयरिंग द स्टोरी, आई एम टेलिंग देम द स्टोरी ऑफ महाभारत टू माई स्टूडेंट्स इन द स्कूल। Yesterday I have uploaded the part 1 of the Mahabharata story. Today I'll be uploading part 2 of the story. This is the story I have shared with my students here in school, so I thought why not to share with my YouTube audience as well. And yes friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then please do subscribe to my channel and please let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. And yes, if you do like it, please like and share with your friends. Let's continue with the story. So it is Arjuna's distress. The Bhagavad Gita, that is the Bhagavad Gita, the beginning. In his royal chamber, King Dhritarashtra asked his charioteer, "Tell me, Sanjay, what happened in the battlefield of Kurukshetra?" Since Dhritarashtra was blind, so he took help of his charioteer, whose name was Sanjay. He had the eyes. He was bestowed with such a power that he could see he could visualize what is going on in the battlefield. So Dhritarashtra requested him to share or to share his knowledge or to share his vision as to what Sanjay could visualize as to what is going on in the battlefield. So Sanjay was sharing. "Tell me, Sanjay." So Dhritarashtra asked him, "Tell me, Sanjay, what happened in the battlefield of Kurukshetra when my people and the Pandavas were lined up against each other, desiring to fight?" Sanjay replied, "O king, your beloved son Duryodhan, when he saw the army of the Pandavas, went up to the sage Dronacharya and displayed his military might. He then introduced the skilled warriors and archers of his own army who had risked their lives for him. But we are stronger, for we have Bhishma, the wise and experienced warriors of old, whereas they have merely the brute strength of the savage Bhim." So Sanjay was telling him that the Pandavas have nothing but only the strength of Bhim. Instead, the Kauravas, they have the know-how of Bhishma Pitama, who was their guru. So this was said by Sanjay to Dhritarashtra. This was conveyed by Sanjay to Dhritarashtra. So this is part 2 of the episode. I'll continue the third part also, and this way I'll be uploading each and every day one part, so that you are in touch with the story. This is especially for children who are in standard 3, 4, 5 and 6, who have no knowledge about Mahabharata, as to what the Mahabharata story is all about and how the Bhagavad Gita was given. The Gita Upadesh was given by Krishna to Arjuna in the field of Kurukshetra. See you soon in the next video. Till then, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.